Hello everybody, this is Mike here from Food Travelers, and in this mini, I'm sharing my experience at the Hyatt House in Beaverton. Hyatt House Beaverton is about 2 minutes drive from the Cedar Hills crossing, 9 minutes from the Bourne Mall, and 4 miles from the Washington Square Mall. This hotel is pretty new. It's about 125 guest rooms, and the room that I got was the 1 king bed with sofa studio suite. And as you enter the room, there is the kitchen that you see is pretty big. There's also a little bit of like a hook area slash shoe rack where you can hook everything up and put your shoes as you enter the room. And as you enter the room, you see there's like a sofa area to sit down and a TV. That TV is actually a swivelable, where you can turn it between where you're sitting in the sofa and the bed, which is really nice. There is a lot of light in this room, which is awesome. As awesome as that is, I know a lot of you may be concerned with how you sleep at night. Great thing is the curtains are blackout curtains, so you can have full darkness when you sleep. As you enter the bathroom, it's very bright. There's lots of hooks. There's everything that you need to use the bathroom, including a blow dryer, all the extra toilet paper and Kleenex, lots of towels, shampoo, conditioner, soap and everything. The water pressure, I think, is okay. It can be improved. I feel like you can have a lot more water pressure. Another thing I like about this room is the walk-in closet. There's a lot of closet space. There's a lot of drawer space. I'm not exactly sure why you need that much drawer space unless you're staying there for a really long time. One thing I really like about this hotel is having all the outlets. USB, USB-C, 110 outlets, and fast charge outlets. It's everywhere, and pretty much anywhere around the room you'll find outlets. I also really like this touch of the skier slash snowboarder painting above the bed, and there is a full-size mirror, which is nice to see what you're wearing. In the kitchen, there is a desk or table. It has outlets on both sides, and it's pretty nice and large for pretty much anything that you need to do on it. In the kitchen, there's everything that you need to make a meal. There's pots and pans, and there's also all the silverware that you need to eat as well. So that's a really nice touch by the hotel. In the living room area is a pull-out couch. So if you do have additional guests with you, they can sleep on that as well. Another thing I do want to mention is the parking situation. There is street parking, but I believe that's only a couple hours. If you are parking overnight, the only option is valet only. One of the downsides with this hotel is the light rail. I mean, it's nice that it's very close by. It's very convenient to go on it, but at the same time, you can hear it in the video. It's loud enough where you can notice it if you don't have a TV on or you don't have any music on. While I was sleeping, I did not notice it. If you are a light sleeper, you might notice the light rail. Overall, I had a really great stay. I really like this room and this hotel and the location. I'll definitely stay here again. And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. For more photos of food and our travels, follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.